In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an announcement bar in Squarespace. The announcement bar is that slim banner at the very top of your site, and it's perfect for sharing timely updates like sales, shipping notices, new hours, or any message you want every visitor to see the moment they land on your page. Start by opening your Squarespace dashboard and selecting the site you want to edit. From there, go to your site settings. If you're unsure where something lives, remember you can use the search field inside Squarespace's menu to find it quickly. Next, locate the announcement bar setting. Depending on your template or version, it may appear under Design, Marketing, or directly in Settings. If you don't see it right away, try searching for announcement bar within the platform. It's the fastest way to jump straight to the control you need. When you find it, turn on the announcement bar for your site. You'll usually see a simple toggle or switch. Once you enable it, a preview of the bar will appear so you can see what visitors will experience. Now enter the message you want visitors to see. Keep it short, clear, and action-oriented. Aim for a single sentence or a compact phrase that communicates the most important information, like a limited time discount or a service update. Avoid long paragraphs. The bar works best when it's concise and easy to scan. If your message is time sensitive, consider including a date so you won't forget to update it later. If you want the bar to send visitors to another page, add a link. This can point to a product collection, a contact form, a blog post, or any page on your site. You can also paste a full external URL if you're directing people somewhere outside of your site. Make sure the link text or the message makes it obvious what people will get when they click. Before you publish anything, preview the site to check how the announcement bar appears. Look at a few key pages, not just the homepage, and glance at it on both desktop and mobile to confirm the text is readable and the link works. Pay attention to contrast between the bar color and your text so it remains accessible and easy to read. When everything looks correct, save your changes. Saving will push the announcement bar live across your site, and you can come back anytime to update or turn it off. That's all there is to it. Clear, quick, and effective.